Let's learn about the unique tool. The unique tool provides a function to filter out unique records by excluding duplicated records in the data field. Let's drag the unique tool from the preparation toolbar at top section and drop it onto the canvas. Then I will draw the postal code data from the select tool and connect to the unique tool. And then here, if you look at the incoming data, you can see that there are many duplicated values listed in postal code field. So let's go back to the unique tool and take a look at the left configuration pane, and you will see the field selection boxes are listed. Let's click the checkbox to filter out unique values in the postal code field. Let's hit run to execute the workflow. And here, if you click the unique tool and take a look at each output node, you will see that unique values in the postal code field are coming out to the U node, and duplicated values are pulled out to the D node, which means duplicates. This concludes our look at the unique tool. Please complete the assignment according to the instructions listed at the bottom of the unique box.